How to fix existing Discord account is already using your Discord number. So if you are also facing the same issues, which in my case I'm not facing it, but if you are also facing the same issue, then what you can do is, the first thing is you can simply come over to your profile. If you are able to log into your profile section, simply click on this edit section from here and simply change the number to different phone number. And if you can't do that, then what you need to do is simply open any of your browser and simply search in Discord help. Once you search in that, you simply make sure you are signed into your account and simply click on the submit a request from here. And what you can do is simply click on help and support, select this option over here, and as you can see, it will ask you to enter your email address, enter your email address and what sort of technical issues you are facing, and what sort of support you need, and what's your subject and description. And you can also add a file or profile, like screenshots of it. And that is exactly. And as I was saying, once you are selected all the types of questions that you needed, like here, and you can also submit your description and subject by describing your issue. And from here you can additionally attach your screenshots related to your problem and click on submit, and the Discord team will probably respond to you within some days or some hours. So hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.